La 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 la. Hey! What's going on? I'm in the middle of a world tour here! Whoa! This place is crazy! Anybody in there? Weird. What about over here? I'm seriously all alone on this thing?
Not exactly. Hi.
Jeez! Huh? What's that? Is this some kind of competition?
Check it out.
Whoa! 100 points?
Nope. See all this?
Wow! That's my home!
Yep. Good old Earth.
So, why am I here? Well… Oh! We're pretty far from home, huh? Crazy! Whoa, is that guy okay? Things sure are weird out there. Craft supplies? I can get used to this. Let's see here.
Not so fast. Behold, your first assignment.
Oh, I can do that. I'll need this. Gotta get the measurements right. And I've got some cardboard handy too. Let the crafting commence.
Whoa, so messy.
Don't question the artist, Genu. I'm getting it just right.
We'll see.
Here's where things really come together.
Oh, wow.
Looks space helmety to me.
Yep, sure does. Which is why you earned some points.
Nailed it!
I hate when that happens. Okay. Jeez, it's awfully windy! Hang on! It's coming!
Need my helmet?
What a genius you are! Enjoy! There.
Wow, he likes it.
Mm-hmm. But you're far from done here.
I try.
I know. Hey, can you guess what this is?
What the…
Watch closely. Hello?
Do you need more oxygen?
Ugh, whatever. Ever hear of a phone? Or a smartphone in your case?
Yeah, I gotcha. I can't live without my phone. Especially in my favorite color. Don't worry, it'll look more like a phone soon. Aw, so cute. Just one more. Whoa! What was that? No! My supplies! I don't like this!
Hang on to your hats! Aw, man! Okay, that's enough. Stop! Hold me!
Do you mind? Jeez.
Let's never talk about that again.
Where was I? Yep, now we're talking. So cute, right? And watch this. It opens right up. New phone, who this? Yep, pretty brilliant. Well, what do you think? Did I nail it?
You're done?
Oh, Rumi here. What's up, girl?
I guess that's point-worthy. Yep.
No way! I totally got it right!
Very good. Oh, I forgot about my coins. I gotta hang on to these bad boys. Wait! No, not again! You know what? I need one of these. Understood?
Must I make everything? How about this? You want a piggy bank? Then you got it. Now we're getting somewhere. Wanna guess what this is? It's just a piece of the piggy bank puzzle, my friend. Now, watch closely. See what I did there? Then close up the hole with a stick. Now watch this thing turn. Next up, more cardboard, of course. It's just so versatile. Can you see the final picture yet? Just have one more side to close. There. Pink, please. There. Perfect fit. What? We need a piggy face, don't we? See it yet? Oink oink, baby. One piggy bank coming right up.
No way!
Cash out here, deposit up here.
I know how it works. In you go. I've got plenty more.
Okay, moneybags.
There. I'll see that money later.
And for me? Just saying.
Okay, happy?
Definitely! Awesome!
That hard work paid off. One more thing. Gah! Help!
Are you alright?
I'll be okay. Sorry.
It's okay.
Stupid cardboard everywhere! What gives?
Chill.
I will not! This is unacceptable. Now make me a trash can. And quickly.
Okay, message received. Ooh, this could come in handy. Don't believe me? Just watch. I hope this glue is strong, cause this thing is gonna hold a lot of trash. And this thing will make it hands-free. Cause who wants to touch that stuff anyway? Some green should make it prettier. Just needs one more liner and lid. But why stop there? This thing could use a little personality. What do you think? Rawr! He's hungry for some garbage. Got any lying around? Well…
Oh, I don't get it.
I'll just show you then. Boo! Here you go. See?
Oh, that's cool, I guess. Here's some more. Jeez!
He likes trash.
Oh, you want some points? There.
That's right.
Not too shabby.
Yep. Now we're talking.
My back's killing me. Good thing I have my favorite chair. I love me a rest and relaxation moment. Ah!
That had to hurt.
It really did. Stupid folding chair. You wanna keep laughing?
Oh, so sorry.
How about you get to work? Not so funny now, is it?
Okay, if you say so. Now, how do I make a sofa? I think I know just where to start. These measurements are tricky. Another right angle here.
What are you doing? So weird.
Hey, ever hear of personal space?
Whatever.
Okay, I think I've got it. Isn't this what you wanted?
Oh, I guess. Not quite the same thing. Well, nice effort.
Hold it. I'm not done. Okay, see these little tabs? They'll help us get to the third dimension. See? It's standing up now. It needs a back, though. And some armrests. Duh. Now that's what I call a sofa. Is this what you had in mind?
Huh? Sort of. Let me see something. I just want to check its dimensions. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. But no. Too tiny.
Oh.
Don't worry. I've got just the thing. Just use this.
Seriously?
Yep. For this.
Oh, I get it!
No! For the sofa!
Oh! Okay then.
Whoa!
My bad! Oh, boy. You okay up there, Ginu? Let's take things down a few pegs. Time to shrink, big guy. See? All better.
Give me that thing! Jeez.
Hey look! My score! I made it to 100!
So I see.
Can I head home now? Please?
Home? Back to that old mess? Well, okay. Bon voyage.
Thank you! See you later! I'm off! Wait! What's all this? Whoa!
Well, it was fun while it lasted.
Ugh. So much has changed. And I'm ready to rock! What's up, party people?
Okay, on to the next. Hey, is this what it feels like? Whoa! My goodness, so many humans. Hey, it's Rumi! Hey, sounds pretty good. I could get used to this.
La. Huh? Oh well. What the? La.